In this video, I'll review negations. The negation of a statement is a statement with the opposite truth value. That is, when P is true, the negation of P is false. When the negation of P is false, P is true. When P is false, the negation is true. When the negation is true, P is false. Each of these four things must be true for the negation of a statement. For the rest of the video, I'll review the example on the negation video sheet that deals with Benjamin Franklin. Make sure you have that sheet out to take notes. In this example, we're going to answer the question as follows. For the statement P, Benjamin Franklin was the fourth president, determine which of the following are negations. A, Benjamin Franklin was never president. A is not a negation of P because the statement A being false does not necessarily mean the statement P must be true. That is, the statement Benjamin Franklin was never president being false does not guarantee that the statement P, Benjamin Franklin was the fourth president, is true. Alternatively, the statement P being false does not guarantee that A would have to be true. That would be what a negation would look like if P being false guaranteed that A was true and vice versa. The next two statements to consider are B, Benjamin Franklin was the third president, and C, James Madison was the fourth president. B is not a negation of P because the statement B and P can be false at the same time. In particular, both B and P are really false. That means that the relationship between the two statements is not a negation relationship. In particular, B and P do not have opposite truth values and are therefore not negations. One way to see that statement C is not a negation of P is to again recognize that they can both be false. Alright, C being false does not mean that P must be true, and P being false does not mean that C must be true. Again, a negation relationship does not exist between C and P. Remember that all four facets of the negation must be true for two statements to have a negation relationship. The last two statements to consider are D, Benjamin Franklin was not the fourth president, and E, the fourth president was not Benjamin Franklin. D and E are both negations of the statement P. Review the definition of the negation to verify this. Commonly, more than one equivalent, these two are equivalent English phraseology of a statement is possible, and that's okay. Have fun with logic.